Welcome to day 12 of Java in 30 days by Quipoin. Today we are going to cover three very important concepts of object-oriented programming in Java. That is inheritance, super keyword and method overloading. Inheritance is how one class can acquire properties and behavior of another. Then super keyword is how we can access parent class properties and constructors. And method overloading, how we can define multiple methods with the same name but different parameter. By the end of this video, you will understand how code reusability works, how parent-child class relationships are built, and how Java handles multiple versions of a method. Let's get started. Now, what is inheritance? In Java, inheritance allows a new class, that is child class, to acquire properties and methods of existing class, that is parent class, using the extends keyword. Then comes the super keyword. It is used to call parent class constructor, used to access parent class variable and methods when they are hidden by child class. Then comes the method overloading. It has the same method name but different parameters, means the number or type, and it is achieved at the compile time. Now let's see the code for each of them. Let's see the code for inheritance, super keyword and method overloading. So we will write, let's create our base class, that is the parent class. So we will write class animal and then semicolon, curly braces. Then we will write string name and then semicolon. Then we will create a constructor. So we will write animal and then inside parenthesis we will write string name and then we will put curly braces. Then using this keyword we will write this dot name is equal to name and then semicolon. Then we will print and we will write void sound and then parenthesis curly braces and we will print system dot out dot print ln and then inside parenthesis we will write name and then plus in quotes we will write make a sound and then we will close this by semicolon. Then we will go and create a derived child class and so we will write class dog and then we will write extends keyword and then animal and end this with curly braces. And then we will write string breed and then semicolon. Now we will create constructor using super keyword. So we will write dog in parenthesis string name and then comma string breed, and then we will close this and we will create parent class constructor. So we will write super in parenthesis name and then end this with semicolon. Then we will write this dot breed and then equal to breed semicolon. Then we will create an overriding parent method. So we will write void. Let's write let's put and close this with curly braces. Then we will write void sound and then closing parenthesis and curly braces. Then we will call a parent method and write super dot sound and then parenthesis semicolon. This is also a parent method, and now we will print by writing system dot out dot print ln and then inside parenthesis name plus in quotes we will write bar and then exclamation mark and again a parenthesis. Inside that we will write breed and then colon, then a plus sign and we will write breed, a plus sign and then we will put quotes and the parenthesis like this and we will end this with semicolon. Now we will do method overloading, and so we will write void sound and then in parenthesis we will write int times. Then we will put curly braces and we will print by writing system dot out dot print ln and then we will write inside parenthesis name plus then in quotes bar and then we will put again a plus sign and then times, then again a plus sign in quotes we will write times with exclamation mark and we will end this with semicolon. Now we will go to our main class and here we will write animal. Let's take A1 is equal to new animal and then we will write in quote generic animal and then close this with semicolon. Then we will write A1 dot sound and parenthesis then semicolon. Then we will take dog D1 is equal to new animal which is dog and then in parenthesis we will write, let's take the name buddy and another one as golden retriever and then let's put semicolon. Now we will call d1 dot sound is equal to parenthesis semicolon. Now this is method overridden, and then we will write d1 dot sound, and in parenthesis we will write 3. This is method overloaded, that is overloading. And now we will close this. Our code looks complete. So let's save, right click, run as Java application, proceed, and let's see what's coming. So here came the output. Generic animal makes a sound. Buddy makes a sound. Buddy barks. That is breed golden retriever. Buddy barks 3 times. Now what we did in the code, let's see. Animal class, that is the parent class, has the field name and a constructor to initialize it. Then method sound prints a generic message. Then dog class, which is the child class, inherits from animal, has a extra field that is breed, and uses super keyword name to call parent constructor. Then the sound overrides to provide a dog specific message and uses super.sound so that parent's message also appears. And then sound int times, that is same method name but different parameter, overloads the method. Then comes the main inheritance example, that is main class, which creates an animal object, calls it a method, then creates a dog object that shows constructor chaining with super, and then demonstrates overriding and overloading in the action. And then comes that the output. Now this is for this session. In the next session we will learn some more important topics, and we will dive into polymorphism and other important topics.